Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Understanding the financial impact of divorce. How taxes affect your post-divorce wealth. Divorce is challenging, not only emotionally but financially. Often overlooked, taxes play a substantial role in the financial aftermath of a divorce, and navigating these implications can be complex. From property divisions to alimony and child-related deductions, every financial aspect in a divorce can have tax consequences that might come as an unwelcome surprise. To ensure that taxes don't become an additional stressor, it's essential to work with experts such as Figeroux Associates in Brooklyn, New York, who are adept at helping clients understand and manage tax consequences in a divorce settlement. 1. Understanding tax-free property transfers in divorce. One of the most advantageous aspects of divorce settlements in terms of taxes is the ability to transfer property tax-free. According to the IRS, property transfers between spouses or former spouses as part of a divorce settlement are typically exempt from income tax. This tax-free transfer rule applies to various assets, including real estate and investments, as long as the transfer happens incident to divorce, meaning it occurs within 1 year of the divorce or is part of a divorce or a separation agreement. However, exceptions can complicate things. For example, if the property is transferred to a third party instead of directly to the ex-spouse, or if the transfer occurs long after the divorce is finalized, the IRS might view the transaction as a taxable event. Engaging professionals like Figeroux Associates can help clarify these rules and prevent surprises. 2. Alimony. The new rules and their implications. The treatment of alimony for tax purposes changed significantly after the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. Before 2019, alimony was tax-deductible for the payer and taxable income for the recipient. For divorces finalized after January 1, 2019, alimony is no longer deductible for the payer, nor is it considered taxable income for the recipient. This shift has implications for financial planning during a divorce. For example, spouses may need to consider alternative structures for settlement payments, especially if the non-earning spouse needs financial support post-divorce. Since alimony no longer reduces taxable income, it can create unexpected tax burdens on the paying spouse. Working with experienced divorce attorneys like Figeroux Associates can be invaluable in structuring a fair and tax-effective settlement. 3. Tax deductions and exemptions related to children. Children are often at the heart of divorce settlements, and tax-related considerations can affect which parent benefits from certain deductions and credits. Typically, the custodial parent claims the dependency exemption for the child. However, the non-custodial parent may also be eligible if there's an agreement in place. Losing this exemption can mean a significant tax increase for the parent who does not claim the child. Additionally, custodial parents can qualify for head of household status, which can lead to lower tax rates and higher standard deductions. The child tax credit, which provides up to $2,000 per child, may also only be claimed by the custodial parent. This makes understanding and carefully negotiating these claims critical during divorce, a process where Figeroux Associates can offer invaluable advice. 4. Division of retirement assets and tax implications. Retirement assets are frequently some of the most substantial assets in a marriage, and dividing these accounts requires careful attention to tax consequences. Qualified domestic relations orders, QDROs, are used to divide qualified plans like 400 and on and pensions. A key DRO allows these assets to be divided without incurring the usual 10% penalty for early withdrawal. However, failing to file a key DRO or handling the division outside the order can lead to substantial tax liabilities. In cases of individual retirement accounts, IRAs, transfers due to divorce are tax-free if done as part of the divorce decree. However, taking money out early without proper documentation can lead to both income tax and a 10% penalty, which can devastate the recipient's financial future. With the guidance of legal experts, couples can avoid costly mistakes during asset division. 5. Real estate and capital gains taxes. One area where divorcees often overlook taxes is in the division of real estate, especially regarding capital gains tax. If one spouse keeps the marital home and later sells it, they might face significant capital gains taxes. The IRS allows an exclusion of up to $250,000, $500,000 for married couples, of gain from the sale of a primary residence, but once divorced, the exclusion is held for the individual. For investment properties, capital gains taxes apply without exclusions. Therefore, selling these properties as part of the divorce may lead to a taxable gain for both parties. Tax professionals can help plan for these scenarios, allowing divorcing couples to strategize real estate divisions that minimize tax burdens. 6. Navigating business interests and tax complications. When one or both spouses own a business, tax complexities increase. Valuing a business for divorce is intricate, and if one spouse buys out the other, the sale can trigger capital gains taxes. Additionally, if the business is an S corporation or LLC, these pass-through entities might lead to unexpected income or losses reflected in each spouse's individual tax returns. In cases where one spouse buys out the other, it's crucial to understand the long-term tax effects, especially if the spouse exiting the business must report gain on the sale. By consulting with a firm like Figeroux Associates, couples can navigate the intricate tax landscape surrounding business ownership and divorce. 7. Health insurance and the tax penalty for early IRA withdrawals. Divorce often disrupts health insurance coverage, with many ex-spouses relying on COBRA or private insurance options. While COBRA can extend coverage temporarily, it can be expensive. Furthermore, if a spouse decides to tap into IRA funds to cover health insurance costs post-divorce, early withdrawal penalties may apply unless they meet specific exceptions. Proper planning can avoid costly penalties. 8. Key points to consider and avoiding common tax mistakes. One of the most common errors in divorce is misunderstanding tax filing status. Divorcing couples should carefully choose their filing status, whether to file as married jointly, married separately, or head of household. Opting for head of household, if eligible, provides favorable tax rates and a higher standard deduction. Keeping thorough tax records during and after divorce is vital. Consulting with a firm like Figeroux Associates ensures that tax liabilities are minimized, records are maintained, and any disputes are handled swiftly. 9. How Figeroux Associates can help. Figeroux Associates provides tailored support for individuals navigating divorce in Brooklyn, New York. Their expertise in tax law ensures that clients can make informed decisions, avoid pitfalls, and reach settlements with minimal tax impact. From asset division to child deductions and beyond, their team offers invaluable insights into the financial consequences of divorce. 10. Conclusion. Divorce is complicated enough without the added stress of unexpected tax implications. By understanding the key tax considerations, from property division to dependency exemptions, and by working with legal experts like Figeroux Associates, divorcing individuals can reduce financial burdens and focus on starting a new chapter. Book a consultation with us today to navigate the financial aspects of divorce confidently. Call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.